Hi, Graham at Playfair Finance. Previously did a piece about the timescales for development finance. I thought it'd be useful for the same thing for bridging finance. So the same scenario applies. You've got three different tiers of lender, tier 1 being prime, tier 2 being less than prime, and tier 3 being the entrepreneurial approach on a case-by-case basis, so a little bit more relaxed about the criteria. So for a tier 1 lender, you're looking at effectively putting it through their portal, which will give you a computer says yes or no type answer. You'll probably get a response in terms of a decision in principle in about 4 to 8 hours. Tiers 2 and tier 3, you're talking to a person. You're actually talking with their business development manager, so you can present the case in a little bit more nuanced, I guess. So for a tier 2 lender, you're looking at about 4 hours to 2 days for a response on that, depending on your timescales. And tier 3, you're slightly quicker again. You can maybe do it in an hour. But up to 2 days. So that's your decision in principle. From decision in principle, you're then looking to get a credit-backed offer. So your credit-backed offer for tier 1, you're probably looking at 5 to 7 days. Same again for tier 2. They both relate to the delay effectively for getting the valuation done on the property. Tier 3 will be slightly quicker than that, maybe 2 to 3 days, because they'll work on a pre-valuation, but it'll be an offer subject to valuation. So once you're happy with that and you have the credit-backed offer, how long will it then take for you to get the money available to you in terms of a drawdown for that? Now, the longest time for all of them will be 8 weeks, and that is really dictated by the legals. So if your solicitor is on message and knows what is required of them in terms of timescale, then the timescale can be less than 8 weeks. But the kind of minimum timescales, tier 1 would be a 4-week minimum, tier 2 would be a 3-week, and tier 3 would be a 2-week turnaround. So you're able to then start drawing the loan and actually use it for your purpose. So as you can see, it's certainly a lot quicker than development finance in terms of getting to drawdown, which is why, particularly again with commercial mortgages or term facilities as well, why bridging is often the first port of call, because it allows you to move quickly to secure the asset that you're looking to purchase, with a view to then securing it on a term facility. So again, it's a means to an end. So I hope that's helpful for you if you're looking for a bridge and your timescales are okay in terms of the day you want to start, and we're still in time. Please get in touch or comment below. I'll be happy to go through what your options are and to have that discussion with you. Okay.